Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. Wow, some force must have propelled the car onto the roof of the other vehicle. It's like a surprise stunt show. Sometimes speeding doesn't actually get you to your destination any faster. It's like rushing through a maze only to realize you're just making more turns. The man suddenly changed lanes at high speed, causing the car behind him to spin 360 degrees. It's like a surprise spin on a high-speed roller coaster. The large truck, loaded with hay to a height of 5 meters, crashed straight into the tunnel's ventilation fan. The truck was held entirely responsible and fined $429. Wow, that was one impressive drift from an amateur driver. The vehicle lost control, but the driver managed to handle the situation well by weaving past the cars on the road. What did this truck try to avoid that made it swerve so sharply it lost control and crashed into the guardrail? Due to the snowy weather, the road was ice-covered, leaving the tires with no grip. As a result, the truck couldn't maintain control and ended up sliding uncontrollably. Who would have thought a car could get kidnapped in broad daylight like this? It's a real plot twist for any daylight drama. The white car braked, but with the icy road, the brakes lost their grip. Who can explain why that lift tool moved on its own like a living thing? It's as if it decided to take a stroll by itself, adding a bit of unexpected drama to the scene. The driver of the black SUV didn't maintain a safe distance and speed. When you miss your exit and find yourself in the fast lane, it's best to maintain your speed and head to the next exit. It's like trying to get back on track without causing a scene safer and smarter. It seems the brakes on the white car aren't as effective as those on the red car. The two vehicles should have given each other a bit more space to avoid the collision. Sometimes a little courtesy on the road goes a long way in preventing accidents. The motorcyclist quickly assessed the situation and jumped into the reversing car to hit the brakes. Talk about quick thinking and some serious reflexes. It seems there was a mix-up between the gas and brake pedals for the taxi driver. The driver was behind the wheel while exhausted and drowsy. It's like they were playing a dangerous game of will I stay awake. The driver of the black car behind was driving under the influence of alcohol. The small car tried to squeeze into the truck lane, and now it'll have to take full responsibility. The truck, having missed its brakes, gently nudged the white car right into the nearby ditch for an unexpected rest stop. The white car on the left is definitely taking the heavier damage. The truck executed a turnaround in a truly astonishing manner. That guardrail is like the unsung hero of the situation, stepping in to prevent a potential disaster and keeping things from getting worse. The SUV behind mixed up the brake and gas pedals. When stuck in traffic, it's best not to switch lanes like this. It's like trying to find a shortcut in a maze. Sometimes you just end up more tangled. Here's a compilation of minor collisions occurring in the city, particularly at intersections where speeds are kept low to moderate. Despite the relatively slow pace, these incidents highlight how crucial attentive driving is. Even at lower speeds, a momentary lapse in observation can lead to these minor accidents. It's a clear reminder that staying vigilant and aware of your surroundings is essential to avoid even the smallest of fender benders. So next time you're navigating through city traffic, remember a little extra attention can prevent a lot of hassle. The car nearly lost control after a few wild maneuvers. It was a close call, just a hair's breadth away from turning a dramatic drive into a full-blown chaos. The truck driver handled the situation exceptionally well by avoiding braking while the vehicle was skidding sideways. Instead, they pressed the gas to regain control. It's like they knew just how to dance with the skid, turning a potential disaster into a controlled recovery. It's unclear what led the pickup truck to reverse into the parked car 24 times, but after the unusual series of events, the driver ended up being taken into custody by the police. The truck driver changed lanes without checking the rearview mirrors. It's like making a move in a game without looking, not the best approach for a safe lane change. The crane truck's cabin got smacked by its own crane, shattering the windshield. Talk about ironic, the very tool meant to help ended up causing the damage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like. And if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.